How to turn off Do Not Disturb. Almost all the time, you will find the Do Not Disturb option inside your notification bar. Roll down your notification bar and you will see these kind of options. Here you will see the option Do Not Disturb. If it's glowing, then that means that it is turned on, and if it's not glowing, then that means that it's off. You can even tap and hold on the icon to set it manually. No matter where it is set, you can simply click on the off option to turn it off. If the Do Not Disturb option is not available on your notification bar, then you can simply open it even with your settings. To find it on your settings, simply open the settings app on your device. Once you have opened the settings app, click on the search icon at the top. Now type in Do Not Disturb. When you do that, then two options will show up. Click on the first one that has a notification in it. Here you can simply click on the switch icon to turn it on or off. If you click on the option for how long, you can even set manual time. If you are having any kind of problem on turning it off, then simply give your device a quick restart and your problem should be fixed. That's all for today. Thank you.